Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to speed up this device. So let me show you how to optimize and clear some junk files on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the phone manager right here. And this is the home screen of the phone manager. Here you can optimize your device by choosing that button. Let's tap it. The device is making your device performing in a better way. Here we've got the information, for example, about the battery performance optimization and security optimization and other stuff. Let's tap done. Here you can also choose the cleanup to clean some memory. The device is scanning for some junk files, for some apps that can be closed. Let's choose clean, and you just free up some memory. So now your device should perform in a better way, just speed up your Android. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.